Hello students, we are doing subject Environmental Studies Part 1, Lesson number 23, Natural Disasters. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4 Online Studies. We'll see the lesson 23, Natural Disasters. Natural disasters is a sudden accident. It is a sudden accident or a natural sudden damage caused because of which great damage or loss of life occurs. Because of this natural calamity, natural disaster, because of this sudden accident which comes naturally, there is a loss of damage of property and loss of life occurs. Here two pics are given. One of the picture is of volcanic eruption. A volcanic eruption occurs when hot material from the earth interior means inside are thrown out of a volcano. Lava, rocks, dust and gas compounds are some of these. Some eruptions are terrible explosions that throw out huge amount of rock and volcanic ash and can kill many people. This thing can kill many people. Some are quiet outflow of hot lava. Now it is a natural disaster. It happens naturally. Man does not make it. In this incident, several people are injured. Some even lose their lives. Houses collapse. Animals die because of this. Standing crops get destroyed. There is great damage to the property. Everything is destroyed. Day-to-day life is disturbed. It takes several days to bring life in normal stage. Next picture is given of a cyclone. A cyclone is a violent tropical storm in which the air goes round and round. Cyclone is a violent rotating windstorm. Very strong winds may damage communication system, trees, resulting in loss of life and property. Sometime during rainy season, in this way there is loss of life and damage of property. Sometimes during rainy season there is a downpour rainfall which lasts for 2 or 3 days. You have seen heavy rain continuously for 2 to 3 days. The river flows in full speed, run. It may even overflow its banks and enter nearby settlements. The rainfall is so heavy that the water level increases and it can enter in the nearby settlements. Settlements means where the people live. There the water can enter. Then people face lots of problem because of this heavy rain. Vehicles cannot move properly. People face disturbance as water enters in house and human settlements where the people live. What is the name given to such a rise in the level of river water? It is called as flood. Flood occurs after heavy rainfall. Name two places in Maharashtra where earthquake have occurred. What is earthquake? A sudden violent shaking of the ground causing great destruction in this way because of the earthquake. It causes lot of destruction, harm, injury as a result of movements within the earth crust. The movements happens within the earth crust, inside the earth crust. Now the two places in Maharashtra we will see as Koyna Nagar earthquake. It happened in 1967. In this way there was a great damage to property and life. Then second is Latur earthquake in 1993. Damage of property and life we can see. An earthquake under the sea gives rise to very high waves. If the earthquake is under the sea, it gives rise to very high waves. Do you know what are these gigantic? Do you know what are these gigantic waves called? It is called as tsunamis. Many times in the news, some serious mishaps, accidents, troubles occur about earthquake, flood, a storm. A storm is a violent disturbance of the atmosphere with strong wind and usually rain. At heavy rain time, you may have seen this thunder, lightning, even somewhere problem occur such as landslide or a hailstorm. Landslide is a collapse of a mass of earth or rock from a mountain or cliff. In this way, sudden collapse of a rock from the mountain or any cliff. It is also said as rockfall. It is also said rockfall or landslip, mudslip. Hailstorm, you have seen these ice balls. A storm of heavy hail. Frozen rain which fall in showers. With the heavy rainfall you might have seen these ice balls. It falls in the form of showers, ice balls. Disaster, a very serious mishap. People, animal can get injured or die. Crops and other property is destroyed. Houses collapse. In this way people face problems. Now untimely rains. In our country we get rain only in a certain period of the year. In Maharashtra it rains in the month of June, July, August and September. This period is called as the monsoon or the rainy season. In Maharashtra, on some day before the start of the rainy season, the sky suddenly get overcast there is lightning and thunder. Means suddenly you can see sometime the black clouds in the sky and suddenly there is lightning, thunder, and then it rains heavily for a short while. These are called pre-monsoon showers. However, when it rains at other time beside the monsoon or pre-monsoon period, such rain is said to be untimely rain. Means when the sudden rain comes at pre-monsoon period, before monsoon season start, so that rainfall, sudden rainfall, it is called as the untimely rains. Now untimely rain come without warning, people did not expect it, and then they can get caught in the rain and they have to run helter skelter for shelter. Here and there they have to run to take the shelter, otherwise they can get caught in the rain. But untimely rain can also cause serious damage. It can cause serious damage also. People grow winter crops such as wheat. Then occasional light showers are good. If these showers are light, if the rainfall is very less light, then it is good for the crop. But if it is heavy, if the rain is too much, then fields get waterlogged. Water can get in the field and the crops may cause loss. Often a hailstorm accompanies with untimely rains. Hailstorms, ice balls, you have seen, it comes with these heavy rains. You might have seen. Several hail causes injuries to people and animals. This hailstorm, it causes injury to people and animal. It shatters roof tiles as the ice balls comes in a great force. Then it shatters roof tiles also. It can damage crops in the field and fruits in the orchards. The crops can get damaged because of this heavy rain and hailstorm. If mango tree are in blossom at that time, and if there is heavy rain or hailstorm, then what can happen? The blossoms may rot or fall off. Then this leads to fall in the mango production. The blossom of mangoes may get rot. It can get rot or it can fall off. So because of this, there is loss of mangoes and the mango production can become less because of this. So in this way, great damage is caused by natural disaster. Remaining part of the lesson we will see in part 2. Thank you.